Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about greetings, asking about well-being, answers to how are you, self-introductions, and example introductions. So let's get started. First is greetings. For example, hello, hello, hi, hi. Good morning, good morning. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Good evening, good evening. Goodbye, goodbye. Move on to the asking about well being. How are you? How are you? How is it going? How is it going? How do you do? How do you do? Move on to the answers to how are you? I am good, thank you. I am good, thank you. I am fine. How about you? I am fine. How about you? I am great, thanks. I am great, thanks. Not bad. How are you? Not bad. How are you? And now, move on to the self-introductions. For example, hello, my name is, and you can put your name or any name you want there. Hello, my name is Nini. I am from USA. I am from USA. I live in New York. I live in New York. I am 30. I am 30 years old. Now move on to the example introduction. Hello, my name is John, or any other name you want. Hello, my name is John. I am from the United States. I live in New York. I'm from the United States. I live in New York. Now move on to the practice part. Please repeat after me. Hello, my name is Nini. Hello, my name is Nini. I am from United States. I am from United States. I live in New York. I live in New York. I'm good, thank you. Great job! That's it for today's lesson. Now you know how to greet people in English. And try practicing these phrases and let me know in the comments. And what's your favorite way to say hello? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson. See you next time. Bye.